Hello, everybody, every member of our community. We are keeping on the treatment of our patient today. Hence, we are talking about how to produce a nutraceutical. Today, I'm explaining to you how we make Dr. Nature's nutraceutical, which is called Stanemi. Welcome to Objectif Santé, your well-being channel, which is helping every member of our community to have a level where is doctor himself. Today, we are going to learn how to produce a nutraceutical which is selling to Dr. Nature's office, which is called Stanemi. So, what is the Dr. Nature's food formula? We present to you our anemia prevention formula with nothing hidden. Don't worry, use it, and you will have your result. You can have it produced at home. You can get it from us. All is well. If you use it formula, you will never have anemia unless at sick one appears. How Dr. Nature makes Stanemi? You can do it at home. Don't worry. It's the formula, the real formula, the right formula. It's not too complicated. I take the Hibiscus Sabdoriffa. It has several local or regional denominations. Bisap, Dableni. You can't look for, research the name of your region. Second, you add tamarind. Third, you add also lemon. You have the other ingredient for Dr. Nature's nutrisolia produced. We make in a bottle the water, and we add Hibiscus Sabdoriffa, or if you want Bisap or Dableni. We add also tamarind and lemon juice. The water will draw the active principle from these three ingredients in 24 hours. All the healing secret will be in the water. This is maceration, and this water breakfast will with you every morning. That will solve your problem of anemia. And when you are okay, you won't catch any anemia in your life. As long as you have a breath with this potion, you will never experience the threat of anemia. But why is this formula? The hibiscus is the color of the blood. It's the grandmother's technique. We look at the colors and attribute its healing abilities to it. But our scientific research, who are still at the level of research into the constituent of plant, fruit, and vegetable, confirm that. Hibiscus has a high iron content, and hibiscus are the color of the blood. Tamarind is a very effective febrifuge. Lemon contains vitamin C and calcium. It facilitates the fixing of ferrous elements. Here is a very simplified product of Dr. Nature's Stanemy. We have this food in sachet for infusions, in oral suspensions, in tablets, or in a granular for adding or seasoning your food. Our Dr. Nature Food Suite, we did not add sugar in order to sweeten our nutraceutical. All plants have glucose content. All fruits have the sugar. All vegetables also have the sugar content. So why do we need to add it? It does not matter. We do not add sugar to our food. We also do not recommend it adding sugar. It may happen that we recommend it honest, pure honest, healthy honest. So, as it becomes more and more difficult to find real honor, healthy honor, we'll talk about it next now. There are several nutraceuticals that we use systematically to solve anemia problems. For instance, we use here spirulina to prevent anemia. Spirulina have green or blue colors. Spirulina is systematically prescribed to all our patients in our office. You will find in all the treatment of all our patients, whatever the case they present. We are going to stop here so you can go prepare your stanemy in your kitchen. Your kitchen is now your pharmacy. Your kitchen is now your laboratory for manufacturing excellent health food. Be well and see you next video.